Right guys, back again. Got a new toy. It's very windy so you probably can't hear me, but we've got some news. The ARP Headstuds arrived last week. I haven't been on this week because I haven't been feeling great, so yeah, hopefully I can share with you what we know so far. And so far it's looking good. It's looking like they'll fit as we expect. I've got some pictures to put in, and hopefully Ben's going to have a video for me as well to splice in and either talk over or he'll do the talking. We'll have to see. But yeah, it's looking like ARP Headstuds for our engine, the M111 that is a BMW S14. So that's interesting. Took a lot of research, but it's looking quite promising so far. Yeah, so stick around guys. Not a great video, I know. I was hoping to get over and get on the SLK, but yeah, like I say, not been feeling great, so bear with us. The weather over here is a bit random at the moment. We had t-shirt weather like on Sunday, and then the day after it's freezing cold. So yeah, good old April weather for you. Alright guys, stick around. Right guys, so it looks like we went with me talking over it. So this is the kit, BMW S14B 23 I think it was, but I'll put the part number in the description for the exact kit. Yeah, it's your typical ARP kit. Comes with the ARP lube, all your washers and your nuts, and they fit really well. They fit like they were made for the car, so we're certainly not complaining there. It took a lot to figure it out. Coming up, this is the nut on the stud inside the head. Fits perfect. That's the protrusion through into the block. That's how far down the nut was. Protrusion through to the block. Right, so like I said, there we go. Looks like BMW S14 B23 head studs will do the job nicely. So hopefully we'll get them in once we've decided on what we're doing with the head gasket. We're still not sure whether to keep trying with the fibre one or spend out on an MLS gasket, but we're just picking up pieces of the puzzle as we go along. Hopefully we'll get there. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in again, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we appreciate every single one of you. Thanks guys.